Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Settings. This gets you straight into configuration. Make sure your iPhone has current iOS and sufficient battery so changes stick. Tap Cellular if Personal Hotspot isn't visible, then choose Personal Hotspot. You're doing this to control who connects and to improve security. Once inside, you'll see the hotspot name and password fields. Change them now to a clear SSID and a strong password. This first step prevents unauthorized access and prepares the phone for device pairing. Next, change the network name and password so devices find the right hotspot. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow About, right arrow Name to edit the SSID because the personal hotspot uses your device name. Then return and type a strong password, 8 characters or more, with letters and numbers, for WPA2 protection. If you need older devices to connect, enable Maximize Compatibility, otherwise keep it off for better performance. Once done, make sure Allow Others to Join is enabled only when you want guests to access the connection. Now finalize by saving and testing. Use a second device to find the new SSID and enter the password. If the hotspot doesn't appear or connections fail, restart your iPhone. This often clears temporary network glitches. If problems persist, toggle cellular and personal hotspot off and on. As a final troubleshooting step, reset network settings. This clears old caches and usually fixes persistent pairing issues, but make sure you know saved Wi-Fi passwords because they'll be removed. You'll be back online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.